Thank you for joining us today. Good day and welcome to Faith Assembly. Happy Sundays to you and the family. Uxbridge, London is the best place to be any time of the day. And London City is the heart of the United Kingdom, the home of Faith Assembly. We are a Christ-centered church where loving God and loving people is the key. Faith Assembly is a place to belong, serve and grow. We really appreciate you for choosing to join us today. We are so excited to see you as today is the day that Lord has made. If it is your first time here, we look forward to meeting you. Getting to know you and helping you get connected is our desire. We will appreciate if you can complete our feedback form at www.faithassembly.org.uk/feedback regarding our service today. Coming up this week. Next Wednesday is our Bible study. Join us at 7 p.m. as we study the scriptures line upon line, precept upon precept. The Bible study is just 1 hour between 7 p.m. and 8 p.m. For the well-being and security of our children, please note that access to the children's church is exclusively reserved for scheduled teachers and nursing mothers. We kindly request parents to collect their children from the children's church only when preparing to depart from the church premises. We appreciate your understanding and cooperation in ensuring a safe and focused environment for our young ones. Thank you. Starting Sunday 3rd of September 2023. Embark on a transformative journey of faith with our new discipleship class. Beginning on the 3rd of September, this class aims to deepen your understanding of God's Word, equip you with essential spiritual disciplines, and foster a community of believers committed to living out the teachings of Christ. Baptism is open to all members who have accepted Jesus Christ as their Savior and desire to publicly proclaim their faith. If you have not been baptized yet and feel a calling to do so, we wholeheartedly welcome you to take part in this blessed ceremony. Register with Dr. Ife for more information. Moving on to what is happening this weekend. In the heart of 2023, an awe-inspiring concert experience is set to captivate the world with its mesmerizing blend of music, worship, and spirituality. When We Worship 2023 promises to be an unforgettable day, uniting people from all walks of life in a celebration of faith, love, and harmony. This extraordinary event will take place at Faith Arena on Saturday, August 26th, featuring a lineup of worship artists. Pat King of the famous Midnight Crew, Tossin B of the famous Diesel Nation, Olin Adefen of the famous Worship Cafe,
Let me know you more sincerely.
Victor Ajayi of the famous Goodness of God and Made a Way, Foda Amu of the famous Jehovah Shammah, all hosted by our one and only Faith Voices Choir. This program is prophetic and starts at 11 a.m. prompt. See you all on Saturday. And now is the time for the quiz of the week. Which prophet said, "I will rejoice in the Lord, I will be joyful in God my Savior"? Habakkuk in Habakkuk 3:18. Finally, it is offering time, blessing time. There are different ways to give this morning. You can give by paying cash or via the point of sale machine. Ask the ushers or going online or by paying directly into the church account. To pay online, visit www.faithassembly.org.uk/give. Or speak to the ushers in order to use the POS. And finally, you can pay by bank transfer with the displayed account details. Thank you for giving to the Lord.